So I'm gonna go ahead and clear everything out. I used an old table. I'm planning to use the bottom portion as my show rack. Spread an available thick bed sheet or blanket and cover the tabletop. Since the corners are not covered, I used a dupatta from my wardrobe. It looks pretty and elegant. And we are done. Bought this mirror from Home Center because it's round and so large it's going to fit in perfectly here. Let's go ahead and hook the mirror on the wall. Now arrange some throw pillows on the table and place any decor available at home to add more color to your foyer. This wall looks empty, so I have two photo frames that I painted white with acrylic paint. Stick all four corners with the help of a double-sided tape. Choose the way you want to stick it and go ahead. I'm going to hang this pretty looking piece to fill up the space. This is a simple star made out of notebook paper, but doesn't it look so pretty? Finally, I placed a palm tree to add all the energy this area needed. I'm going ahead and stacking all the shoes below the table. The shoes are now visible only when you bend, solving all the mess that was before. Now this place started to look exactly how I imagined it to be. I'm gonna move this divider to the other empty corner of my foyer and twine fairy lights around it to give a warm look in the night. Finally, after sticking my favorite photo frame, this is how it looks. Let's light the candle and see how beautiful it looks at night. hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with another video.